There are a couple of ways that you can access your Google Classroom. The first is to simply type the URL. So let's go here. Let's go to classroom.google.com. And here is some maths classes here, but I want to join a class. So let's just delete that. Let's come back to Google. So we can click on there. So what I'll be doing now is I click on the plus sign, and the other option is to go via the waffle. So let's look at this. Just come back to Google. And what you can do is you can click on the waffle and you can scroll through the apps that are here for you. This is the quickest way. So click on Classroom. And again, we get to these classrooms that are already existing. I want to now join a classroom. Click on here. And I can put in my class code. So I'm going to enter my class code here, and that will allow me to join the classroom. So my teacher will have given me a class code, or it could be on the screen in front of you. Excellent. So I've put in my class code, and now I'm going to click on join. And this is the classroom that I want to join. And that is quite simply how you find, in the first instance, your Google Classroom and then join it. Obviously, all the classrooms that you have joined are all listed here on the left-hand side here. These are all the classrooms I'm already a member of, but the one I want to join today is this Learning Google Classroom.